kinfolk. What's happening, kinfolk? 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 We finally made it to Sharky's Tavern, man. And like I said earlier, my camera froze up on my GoPro, so hopefully you got all my intro. But if not, we ended up meeting up with Paul and Miss Ruthy from Paul on the Run. So make sure y'all go check out their channel, man. It'll be linked up above and down below, so give them a follow. Let them know Knuckles sent you, and show them some love, man. So it's the first time meeting him, so super excited. And he's got a beautiful road glide over there, so you'll be able to see everything he's done to it on his channel. So make sure y'all go check it out. So anyway, we're about to get in here, man, and get a little something to drink real quick, hang out for a little while, and then we'll probably just cruise around Galveston for a bit. So I got my brother-in-law over there hanging out. And then we'll take off, man. Check it out. So we'll see you in a little bit. On the Strand, and never been here before, so super excited to try it. Thanks to Paul and Ruthy for recommending it. So we're all here, man, trying to hang out, have a little something to eat real quick, and then and I ended up ordering Wagyu. Okay, Wagyu corn dog.
Oh, that's what you had?
Yeah, I got the same thing. Jalapeno cornbread batter, spicy beer mustard, rosemary parmesan fries. So that sounded really good. Have y'all had it before?
No.
Okay, so they haven't had it either. So I'm excited to try that. And then Bubba got the here's a Wagyu cheeseburger. So what'd you get, Gabriel?
Chicken and waffles.
Chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles. So that's gonna be good stuff. So as soon as that stuff comes out, man, I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll let you know what it tastes like. So we'll see you in a bit.
The Bloody Marys are backwards.
Oh, kinfolk, right here. Michelada.
It's got celery.
So good.
Ham.
All right, kinfolk. I ended up getting the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Look at that. Woo-wee. What you think, babushka? You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Tell me what that tastes like.
What's that, mustard?
Yeah, some kind of, I think it's like a spicy beer mustard. That, I don't know what that is. What do you think? Does it taste like a Philly cheesesteak?
So instead of time lapse, it makes it like a time
Kind of just crunchy.
Yeah?
So it's like
Try the mustard. Did you try the mustard?
When you hit it, it's like
You don't like mustard either, huh?
Yeah, really cool.
See what it tastes like.
When you're driving.
Yeah, this Tom War thing, yeah.
No. You didn't like that one, huh?
It is spicy though.
Is it spicy? Oh, hell yeah. Let's look at it. Give bro a try.
No, I'm good.
You don't want to try it, bro? You ain't got to eat the mustard, bro. What the hell?
I'm away from my food.
Huh?
I'm away from my food.
Alright. Alright, let me give her a go. Here, Bubba, eat the other one. Let's see what it tastes like by itself.
Good.
Mustard yummy.
Yeah, it's good. Man, that sauce is good, bro.
Yeah, the wet one.
Yeah.
I like that mustard though.
No, I ain't tried the mustard. Let me see. Bubba, hold this. I'm putting that shit all in my nose.
Actually, I like mustard on french fries.
Yeah, I like mustard or mayonnaise.
Yeah, mustard is good.
Every once in a while,
Nasty.
I like mustard. That's really good. Oh, yeah. All right. We'll wait till the main course comes out. We'll see you in a little bit. Gabriel? Yeah.
it's a lot of food.
Dude.
I hope so. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Chilaquiles, people.
Miss Ruthy got, what'd you get, Miss Ruthy?
Chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles.
That's a lot of chicken.
Alright, I have the cheeseburger, no onion.
Right there. Babushka got a cheeseburger.
Oh yeah, the burgers are good. Man, I thought they were amazing.
Open that thing up, Bubba. Let me look at it. Open it this way so I can see it.
Man, well, there you have
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Chilaquiles.
Oh, yeah.
From a restaurant called Hearsay.
Damn, Gabriel.
Mexican, Tex-Mex.
That's a lot of chicken, bro.
Called Hearsay. Those are
That's what
tortillas.
chilaquiles are.
Corn dog dope.
Really good.
Hey, I've got it.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what it looks like.
I've been drinking. Oh, no.
Look at that.
Lord.
Never went to sleep.
That's some good sausage.
What I got here.
I'm always surprised when I get things like this.
Yeah.
And get things
It's
better.
not gonna be.
Yeah.
Gotta be pretty good to stick around here.
That's good. So that's jalapeno cornbread
I couldn't tell you.
batter. And that's like a sausage.
No surprises.
It's spicy too. That's good stuff. I'm gonna get into it. Alright, kinfolk, we just came out of the Hearsay restaurant, man. That was really good. And again, I want to thank Paul and Miss Ruthy for hanging out with us, and Scott. So thank y'all very much, man. It was a blast. Now we're gonna head up to the seawall and see what they got going on over there. I want to throw the drone up, so hopefully I can get some drone footage for y'all, and then we'll be headed home. So let's get over to the seawall. There's still quite a bit of people that came out, man. So that's pretty dope. And today's Sunday, so I'm pretty sure there was a lot more yesterday. But yeah, right now we're on the Strand. We're gonna head back up to the seawall and see what's going on over there. This is where the rally usually is every year. So up and down here is where all the motorcycles are usually at. So earlier my camera kept freezing up, man, every time I went to hit record, so that sucked. But I've got it going now, so that's good. weekend, folks. That's it, man. We are done. We are headed back to the house. So I appreciate y'all watching, man. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully until next year when we can actually come out to a rally, we'll get to see y'all. So appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Goes out.